Hi. Technology moves so fast, and if you really want to stay ahead, then you definitely need only the right tools for you to stay ahead. And I'm going to be sharing the top 5 tools any techie will need out there so that they can stay ahead of the curve in 2025. Hi, my name is Sumaiya, and this channel is all about everything tech, ranging from tech events to unboxing swag together and a lot more tips that you actually need to elevate your tech career. And in this very video, I'm going to be sharing the 5 top tech tools you need to elevate your career in 2025. The first tool on my list is Notion. I really find Notion like one diverse tool everyone has to explore, because Notion will help you to stay organized, to be able to track your tasks, to manage your projects, and actually also collaborate with ease. So I would advise every other techie out there to check out Notion. You can install the app, you can access it via the web, and actually start using it. Now the next one is Slack. I really find Slack so much convenient for teams. If you're the kind that doesn't want to, use WhatsApp, I find Slack more professional for communication in teams. And I have actually realized that Slack is still the go-to platform for team communication and collaboration. I personally find it secure because you're able to communicate in teams, and you know that people on a different team will not be able to access the kind of information you're accessing in a certain team. So if you're the kind that has been looking for a platform, a tool that you can always use for team communication without necessarily using your mobile numbers, then Slack is the right tool for you. Now the other one is Google Meet. Now Google Meet has definitely become the industry standard for remote communication. You don't have to argue with me about that. I know it has competitors like Zoom and any other application, but for me, I find Google Meet so much convenient for me. So you need to learn tips for effective use of Google Meet and actually use it in 2025 for all your remote communication. Now the other vital tool is Grammarly. Grammarly is really essential, I believe, not only for, let's say, technical writers, but it's essential for everyone, because as techies we get to write in our day-to-day lives, and if you really want to polish your writing, then you need Grammarly, because it will ensure error-free communication in emails, documents, and your social media posts. So you definitely need this tool. So now this last one is, I can say, specifically for project managers, but even if you're not a project manager, I believe you have projects that you're actually working on, and the tool is Trello. So Trello is really a must-have for project management. As long as you have a project that you're working on, you need the Trello app, and it will actually help you streamline your workflows, because everything will definitely flow smooth as long as you feed the right data in the app, and it will definitely give you the right results. These are the top 5 tools that I believe that you need in order for you to succeed in 2025. I know there are a lot of other tools that I've left out, but I feel like these are the most vital tools, because there are tools like the calendar for managing your schedule, then emails, and so much more. But I find these like the top tools, because all the other tasks definitely depend on these tools that I've mentioned. As if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. And I honestly believe that this video has been really so much useful to you as we begin the year. And even if you watch this video well later, I hope it really helps you plan for the rest of the year. If you're new here, once again, hit the subscribe button, leave your feedback in the comment section, share this video with a friend. I believe my videos are always helpful in one way or another. And as always, this video has been shot by the one Top Notch Media. Feel free to reach out to them in case you need all kinds of videos, and let's get to meet in the next video.